My brother and sister in Christ, this is very excited times. I got this info from Paul Begley. I will show you later on after I explain this, what he said in his video. Okay, I give the credit to him. Like I told you already, okay? The high rapture alert is this year, 2022. By the end of this year, December 2022, by the time when during Christmas season and Hanukkah feast, Christmas of course, December 25th, okay, this is the time when for Jesus first coming, all right? There during the Hanukkah feast, when he was born, I think between 4 BC and 25 BC, all right? And his first coming is very significant, and for his coming for his church, okay, or his bride. We call the rapture of the church. The rapture is in the Bible, written in 1 Thessalonians 4, verse 16 to 17, talking about the rapture and get caught up, okay, in 1 Thessalonians 4, verse 16 to 17, all right? And the other one, 1 Corinthians 15, verse 52 to 53, all right? And this is very significant with the Christmas season, as I told you already. Many Christmas rapture dreams and vision, all right? God already revealed the time frames, and also the Hanukkah rapture dreams and vision, or even though not as many Christmas rapture dreams and vision, but Hanukkah dreams and vision, Hanukkah rapture dreams and vision also some I found it. This is more significant than another year, when I told you already that Hanukkah feast between December 18 to December 26 this year, according to a few other dreams and vision talk about, God will tell the warning to us 7 days before the rapture. If the rapture could be happen between December 25th to December 26th, which I explained already in my other video, then Sunday rapture and first resurrection, first for those who died in Christ, for first resurrected, okay, according to 1 Thessalonians 4, verse 16 to 17 too, and before those who still alive get caught up or raptured. That related with Jesus Christ. He is the first fruit, okay? He was resurrected during the first fruit, on the first fruit festival. That festival during Passover feast. Then, okay, happen his resurrection day on Sunday, or according to biblical days, the first day of the week. The first day of the week on Sunday. All right? That's why when people go to church, they do that on Sunday. Well, it doesn't matter to God. The church service or worship God every day, because Jesus himself is the Lord of Sabbath. Sabbath not necessarily according to Bible, or Jews timing or Israel's timing, from Friday evening to Saturday evening, okay? But Jesus was resurrected on Monday. I'm sorry, not on Monday, on Sunday, or the first day of the week. So I believe the first resurrection day, the first resurrected saints, and then the rapture saint get caught up, that on Sunday. Because Christmas this year is on Sunday, or the first day of the week, just like happened to Jesus Christ. He was resurrected on the first day of the week, or on Sunday. That the significant time, that one I explained you already. But I promise I will make another video, maybe another week. We'll see, depend on my time and mood, to explain more detail compared to my other videos, what Bible says and the history, okay, what happened in Israel, and the location where the first temple and the second temple is there, and now is the Dome of the Rock, where the Muslims worship their false god Allah. There in the Dome of the Rock, related with that history and what it says in the Bible in Daniel 9. And I think Daniel 8 maybe, and Daniel, I know it's definitely Daniel 8, 9 and 11. All right. So this is what the name the rabbi did not mention the name, but this is talking about biblical prophecy of Balaam. This article written in January 17, 2017, the same year, meant that a lot of Christians in the end-time rapture watcher waiting for the rapture because the significant with the, I think I forget what the name. Yeah, I think with the 12 Revelation 12 signs, which they believe will happen during Rosh Hashanah, sometime around September in the year 2017, but not happen. At that time, I don't think I believed that happened then. A lot of Christians believe the rapture could happen on Rosh Hashanah. This doctrine started by Perry Stone. Perry Stone not always teach right. I don't agree with all his teaching, including Paul Begley, but they give some good information even though like that. When I do that like that, I follow some this end time prophecy, end time teacher or this even the pastor, I will not always follow or believe what they say. I always check again what Bible says, okay, to make sure they don't teach the false doctrine. And the other thing, to make sure they do not give or tell the false information. I digging again and do more research, including, what the news all around us. I mean, what they tell us. The same thing what happened. Do not trust the world leader and government. Especially what's happening right now with this man-made pestilence pandemic. This make things worse, okay? So let me explain you with this prophecy. So this is in the year 2017, this article issued, okay, was posted at Yahoo. It says, according to biblical prophecy of Balaam, all right, the appearance of the new star will precede the coming of the Messiah. Matches on I'm not sure if I say wrong or right, matches on an astronomical event that scientists predict will take place in 2022. This article was written 5 years ago in 2017, the same year, like I told you earlier, the Revelation 12 sign. Because they believed before at that time the rapture will take place that year, but not happen that year. Instead, could be this year, like I explained already. Keep looking up, and watch the high rapture alert this year. What I told you already. Okay, related with Christmas rapture dreams and vision, and then Hanukkah festival. I explained you already, between December 18 to December 26. December 18, 7 days before the rapture event on December 25th. Could be that on Sunday or the first day of the week. All right, and the Jews' faith does not believe that Jesus is the Messiah. Some Christians have interpreted the rabbi's prediction as proof that Jesus' second coming will occur in 2022. But keep in mind, this 2022, this year is not second coming, because we don't not in the 7 years tribulation yet. Okay, 7 years tribulation not began yet this year. Will begin, could be by the year 2023, like I explained you already in my other video. According to what happened in the Dome on the Rock, where the first temple and second temple located. All right, and the history, okay, that year, when the Dome of the Rock was built, and what it says in Daniel 9 and Daniel 11. That's why I believe during Passover when started they built the temple, and the Antichrist appear maybe just a few weeks or a few months, who knows, that year in 2023, the same year. Okay, so I explained it could be in 2023, and the rapture could happen by the end of this year in 2022. But they believe, according to this rabbi, okay, Jesus' second coming will take place in 2022. So what they believe, but it's meaning not Jesus' second coming, it's meaning the rapture of the church could take place this year in 2022, not about Jesus' second coming, because so far the world we don't no 7 years tribulation yet, no Antichrist. Okay, so that about the rapture of the church in the year 2022 or this year. Rabbi Joseph Berger of the King's David's tomb on Mount Zion claimed that the Bible prophecy, the biblical prophecy of Balaam, and Jewish esoteric sources show that the astronomical event predicted for the 2022, the collision of the two stars to form a brand new star in the night sky, will herald the arrival of the Messiah. The astronomical events fulfills an ancient prophetic sign of the coming of the Messiah, the rabbi claimed, according to Breaking Israel News. Okay, so this astronomical event, talking about this ancient prophetic sign. This is what they check it. This according to the astronomical event, they believe that two stars will get collision. Yeah, keep in mind the sign in the sky, like the stars, the moon, and the sun, is the sign for the end time. It's written in the Bible, and also not just about the rapture of the church, the sign for during the 7 years tribulation, and the sign for Jesus' second coming. If you know, the sign also for the end times before the rapture too. If you see in Luke 21st, I think, I'm pretty sure, I don't think Luke 18, yeah. Luke 21st verse 36, Joel 2, Acts 2, I think somewhere in the Revelation 6 mentioned again. The sign and the moon turn become blood, or sun turn darkness, something like that. This is all the signs, so including the stars, the one is they're talking about. The Bible very clear mention about these signs in the sky. Okay, the sign for the end times, the rapture, and Jesus' second coming, because already happened at Jesus' first coming. All right. After he's born, and the wise man met him after maybe almost his age of 2 years, Jesus Christ. So the wise man, Magi, the name their wise man, I think 3 of those. When they saw Jesus, they follow the stars. Okay, the star itself, I believe that a type planet. Okay, rather than big many stars, because they're more in the sky. What we saw, yeah, kind of like very very large formation rock could be, yeah, not asteroid. The other comet, not like comet fell down in the earth, to go to the earth, yeah. Asteroid or something like this, not kind of like that, yeah. So more kind of like they're floating inside in galaxy. There's something big rock or something like that, or small planet, and the other larger planet their planets are farther from the earth. There are many stars in the sky, a lot of stars. But I believe what wise man saw a type of planet, I think, and they follow that stars or planet. Okay, I think it takes almost couple years to see the new king, which is Jesus Christ. Okay, that his first coming. His first coming, Jesus Christ, already with the sign in the stars. So next time, Jesus coming for his church, the rapture of the church will be the sign using the another stars or different stars, okay, with the same sign in the sky. What like it says, according to this rabbi, Joseph Berger, okay. So this prophecy mentioned about the stars in the sky. I think earlier I saw this another article mentioned connection the star with the star Omega. Okay, I'm sorry I said wrong earlier the pronunciation. How to say that? Magi, not Magi. Magi, okay, or the wise man. That this star have connection with Magi star, something like what he said. They said, so but probably connection with the planet X. I believe that planet X, the other planets, is true. With wicked government do not tell. Even in NASA, we cannot trust the whole thing with NASA. They do not tell their planet very close, kind of almost close to the Earth, because a lot of people, Christian, have dreams and vision regarding this planet X. So let me show you later. Hold on. Talking about this, come in like this, hold on, let's be this another one. The star prophecy, see Balaam, Balaam prophecy. Let me show you from this, Balaam in the Hebrew, okay, or in the book of Number. Let me see, I do not read all for you because it not become too long this video. Say about it's nothing to do but the end times with the stars, so anyway, okay, from Jacob to son from Israel. Anyway, I come back to here, okay, this article. All right, the thing is connection with the star. They believe about Jesus' second coming in 2017. I mean, one was the person who wrote the article. I think this person who wrote the article can misunderstanding. What this is rabbi waiting is their Messiah. What I understand, and many Christians also agree that the Messiah they're waiting for, these Orthodox Jews, the Jews, or Israelis, they believe this is even though they're Messiah, what I see is about the Antichrist in the Bible. All right, but if we thought they realize the timing in the year 2022 indeed for Jesus coming for his church, for his bride, that but the year 2022, okay, rather than their Messiah, the Antichrist. I explained you already that Antichrist, according to that prophecy in the Bible, will be on the scene, the one in the Revelation 6 verse 1, by the year 2023. In the same year when the time the third temple will be built. All right, what I see according to, what happening, okay, all around the world, what happening right now, okay, with Israel. Israel is have the highest population already drink that wicked prune juice, okay, you know I'm talking about, because about related man-made pestilence. If Israel, a lot of Israel, of course, not just Israel, Israelis, a lot of people all around the world, including, okay, too many people become so sick, okay, worse died. Not many people will be survive, okay. God still want to deal with human being, especially Israel during the 7 years tribulation. Okay, you see, you read in Daniel 9 verse 11. Because Israel still have to pay their wickedness, okay, their transgression to God during 7 years tribulation. That's why in Bible mention also 7 years tribulation is about Jacob trouble. That's why the true church, born again Christian, supposed not to be here in the world, in the earth during 7 years tribulation, because during that time God deal more pay attention to Israel. Of course, it pay attention also to everybody, left behind Christian, left behind unbelievers during 7 years tribulation. Okay, God want to Israel back to Him. All right, they're related with that. So I mentioned already these stars, what the rabbi mentioned, that article in the year 2017, relate kind of similar like the stars, okay, happen during that Jesus first coming. What the Magi or their wise men saw or follow the stars to see Jesus Christ after he was born. Okay, so this connection, okay, Jesus was born and his conception. I explained you already in my other video during that Christmas season or Hanukkah feast. That's why I believe that rapture could happen during Christmas season or Hanukkah feast, which I mentioned already in the this video. That Hanukkah feast this year, the only one right fit for the rapture time frame between December 18 to December 26. No other time frame the Hanukkah, okay, come along with or fit together with Christmas season. Then this year compare another year, only this year. What happened is what happening all around the world, I explained already, especially Israel. Too many Israel get injured because this man-made pestilence and drink too much toxic prune juice, because they already have one, the fourth one by now. If too many people took that stuff, too many people become ill and worse died, how come God want to deal with this his chosen people? If the rapture of the church now happened this year and then 7 years tribulation by 2023, how come? You see, I connect that together. But I found out this information from Paul Begley related with these stars. Okay, let's explain. I read already for you that article, but that rabbi believe that their Messiah will come in the year 2022 or this year. But I see they misunderstood. They missed their Messiah, the first one already. They do not realize Jesus already came. Only the one who know, the Magi, the wise man. We're talking about the Magi. Christmas has connection with the wise man too, the Magi. Okay, if you see many Christmas decoration with Magi, the wise man, and Jesus Christ after he was born. All right, so this have kind of like a connection related each other with the stars and what Rabbi said that. Okay, and we should the rapture should not too far off. If this thing all go along all too long, it's still for the God's chosen people like these Israelis, took too much poison prune juice. Not many will survive even before 7 years tribulation began, because in Bible says itself, God will shorten it, to make shorter the days during 7 years tribulation. If not, his elected people like Christian and Jews, not many will be survive. Same thing what happening now. He should have his judgment soon come. All right. I hope you will get the information and listen this what Paul Begley says about that.
The rapture will occur in 2022 if the Israeli rabbi claims come to pass, a prophecy And it's a prophecy that was called the Balaam Messiah prophecy. Okay, I want to show you this one because it's huge. They believe that if a collision, star collision predicted by astronomers fulfills Balaam's messianic prophecy, could take place in the year 2022. What is this prophecy and what does that mean? Well, let me tell you first of all that the Israeli rabbi has claimed that the biblical prophecy of Balaam, which says that the appearance of a new star, will precede the coming of the Messiah. It matches an astronomical event that scientists have been predicting will become visible and occur in the year 2022. And although the Jewish faith does not believe that the Messiah is the same as maybe the Christian Messiah, and then again, that could change. They've interpreted the rabbi's prediction as proof that the Messiah will appear in the year 2022. So Christians would see that as maybe the rapture or the second coming of Christ, where the rabbi sees this more as the arrival of the Messiah. Now, Rabbi Yosef Berger of King David's tomb on Mount Zion claimed that the biblical prophecy of Balaam and the Jewish Stoic sources show that the astronomical event predicted in 2022, the collision or the appearance of a new star to form a brand new star in the night sky, will herald in the arrival of the Messiah. And this astronomical event fulfills an ancient prophetic sign of the coming of the Messiah, according to Rabbi Berger. This is huge. Now, Breaking Israeli News has also covered this. It's also being covered on Yahoo News back in 2017. On January 17, 2017, Yahoo covered this. So does a new star appearing in the night sky bring about Balaam's prophecy of the Messiah? Is this the year of the rapture or even the second coming or the second coming of Jesus Christ? Is these the effects of Planet X? And what I want to say to that is a huge question, and you're not going to believe it, but it's being addressed in this conference we're having on Friday called The Effects of Planet X. The summit is amazing. I don't want you to miss it. Please understand, we are living in the last days, and I'd love for you to hear what Gil Broussard has to say and the 12 different presentations that he puts on the screen for you that are so detailed about the timing of Planet X. Also, Marshall Masters does the same thing with about 10 slides, and he shows you his timeline of this thing, very similar, but a little different, and maybe more detailed on certain years. And then there's Stephen Ben-Noon's, his timeline is really intense for this year, 2022. Maybe it is that Stephen is on the same path. We'll see. And while they're doing that, what about Mike from around the world? Guys, go get your ticket right now. Here's what you do. You go to my website at paulbegleyprophecy.com. Let me see if I can find the link for you. Go to my website right now at paulbegleyprophecy.com.